If you can't log into your NFL Fantasy account, maybe you forgot your password or lost access, I will show you exactly how to recover it. First, launch your NFL app, or you can navigate to the website fantasy.nfl.com. Tap Sign in the top right corner. Now, go ahead and type in the email address that is linked with your account and then click on Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password. You'll need to click on the option Forgot Password. Now here, you'll need to type in the email address that is linked with your account to receive password reset link. Once you do that, you can close this and launch your mail and check. You will receive mail from NFL. You can see that you'll need to launch that mail and click on the option Password Reset. With that, you'll be directed to this page, Reset Your NFL Password. Type in the new password for your account, likewise confirm it. Once you are done, click on Submit. With that, your account will be recovered. So this is how you can easily recover your NFL Fantasy account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.